and birthday girl, Dexy. Let's give her applause for the birthday family. Let's go. To our celebrant. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more, the claps ready. Happy birthday. One more! Happy birthday to you! Alright, let's give the birthday celebrant. Everybody say happy birthday, Dexy!
Happy birthday, Dexy!
One more, mas malakas. Go!
Happy birthday, Dexy!
Yung pinakamalakas! Parang may galit na doon, no? Alright, let's start our first game. Our first game is very easy, a warm-up game. To make it easier, para mas madali, lapit kayo kay mami or kay daddy.